pdfToolbox has a full imposition engine, and one of the things it can be used for is various types of simple impositions. Step and repeat is one of those. Let me show you how that is done. I have a little label file here, and I want to do a step and repeat imposition for it. What I can do is I can go to Tools and Switchboard, and on the switchboard, go to Arrange, and then I find all of the imposition types that you can use in this Arrange panel. The one I'm interested in is step and repeat. Small tip, each of those has a little explanation at the top, and that can be very helpful to determine the difference between fill sheet and fill sheet automatically and step and repeat and so on. There are only a few parameters that you need to fill out. You need to say how many rows and columns you want and so on. And I'm going to do something that is completely not realistic, but just to show you what the possibilities are here. And then clicking execute gives me immediately the imposition that I want. pdfToolbox didn't ask me where to save my document. That has advantages because it means I can very easily go back, revert to the original document, and if I made a mistake here, I can correct that and then run it again. And it's so fast that you can just play with this until you have the settings that you want. This is a simple imposition type, so there are only a few things that you can change. You can change the number of rows and columns, you can change how much spacing you have in between, whether there is an offset to it, whether you want trim marks or not, and what the final output size is, so the size of the imposed sheet. But that's about it. You can create them here and test them here in the switchboard, but there is another way to use them as well. And to do that, I go to Tools again and then to Fix-ups. And in this window, I can now say, Create New Action. And in the action type, I can start to type step and repeat, and you have the same action here. With the same parameters, you can fill this out, create an action, and then this action can be included in a process plan. And the advantage of creating this type of action and then putting it in a process plan is that you can now combine it with other things. So I could make a process plan that first cleans up the file, makes a production-ready version, and then does the step and repeat imposition to give me a final document that can be printed. There are a number of these simple imposition options, and other videos will tell you about all the others. The important thing to know is that you're not limited to simple imposition. You can also make your own imposition configurations. And if you make your own imposition configurations, you can have any type of option and complexity that you want.